Hi everyone, welcome to my channel The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one studio called Hira Hosiery. This is an exclusive wholesale outlet for ladies and kids. 2 episodes are going to come, and total wholesale outlet minimum 10,000 online, no single piece, no retail. When you come to his outlet, you can buy set wise. This comes in a street called Sultanpet, which comes nearby Chickpet metro station, which comes in Bengaluru, India. It comes in a complex called Babulal Pride in 4th floor. So I'm just showing you the landmark. I'm standing in front of Chickpet metro station. That is Chickpet metro station. So when you come to Chickpet metro station, just go a little bit further like this. So when you come little bit further, you can just check. This is a Metro Plaza. Right opposite to this, there is a street. Just get inside this street like this. Just see, there is Metro Plaza. Right opposite to this, there is a street. Just get inside this street little bit like this. Just check. This is the back side of this complex, Babulal Pride. And in this complex, in 4th floor, you have to go. Hira Hosiery will come. So this Hira Hosiery. So this 4th floor, and you can just have a look here. Hira Hosiery is a very big outlet, and you're getting a great opportunity there into this business for many years. Like this coat set, kurti set, and for kids also like this, you'll get all the t-shirt, track pants, shorts. For kids, you'll get coat sets also. You'll get here. 2 episodes are going to come, and here is outlet is there. You can just have a look. Superb outlet, very big outlet. Women's and kids wear you'll get here. Minimum 10k online, no single piece, no retail. But when you come to his outlet, you can buy set wise, full payment, no cash on delivery. In women, you will get this entire section is for kids. So in kids, you will get nightwear, track pant, shorts, t-shirt, total wholesale coat set also you'll get. And this section, this is for women's, where you'll get kurti set, coat set, track pant. So techno sports also you'll get. Very big business people, amazing opportunity for you. If you're in business, you want to start a new business, you can come here. Lot of varieties are there, more than 500. If you ask me, more than 1,000 varieties are there. Any more detail, WhatsApp video call or call them. They are going to send you all the details. And this is the account section. You can just have a look. Complete professional people where all the billing, dispatch, order, everything is taken care of. And just see, the entire packing will come like this with Hira Hosiery name and logo and all. So this is how the packing and all come. And right now I'm introducing you to the in charge of this place. His name is Mr. Mavi. So whenever you come here, you can meet him. Hi Mavi, welcome to my show. Mavi, tell me something about your studio. What and all you get over here?
Hello, welcome to Hira Hosiery. We are exclusive dealers in women's and kids wear.
Okay, and how many years over for you in this business?
It's been almost 15 plus years.
Okay, and where and all your product goes in India?
Pan India and even overseas.
In women's wear, what and all you will get?
We deal in kurtis, coat sets, t-shirts, tracks, 3/4, night sets, and everything which you can wear in daily and evening wear.
And kids wear, what you will get?
Same.
Same nightwear?
Yeah.
Nightwear and t-shirt.
Yes.
And minimum how much they have to purchase online?
Minimum 10,000.
And when they come to your outlet?
Set wise.
No single piece, no retail,
single
right?
piece.
Yeah, can you show some sample of your products?
Yeah.
So right now, Mavi, what are you going to show?
I'm going to show you my studio tour.
Okay.
Let's begin. So this is our kurti section.
Okay.
Wherein you get daily wear kurta sets.
Lovely, yeah. So much varieties is there. So this entire section is for kurtis?
Kurtis, yeah.
Okay, cool, nice. So like this, all the set wise will come, packing will come. You can just have a look. This entire section is for kurtis. So many varieties are there.
It starts for women's, ladies
Okay.
t-shirts wear.
Okay.
Wherein this is our t-shirt department.
Oh wow, so many varieties are there. Nice. This all is for t-shirt, ladies
Women's
t-shirt.
t-shirts. Again,
Okay.
this is women's shorts.
Okay.
Women's capris.
Okay.
Women's nightwear, night sets.
Nice.
And this is for women's tracks,
Lovely.
gym wear.
Cool. So many varieties.
And now I'm going to show you my godown.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the place where we stock
Here
our
all
goods.
leggings is there, I think.
Yeah, this is our legging godown and this is our track pant godown where we keep our excess stock.
This is huge. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is so big. That's the reason I'm showing you this, because in video we show you only 5-10 sample. But here I can show you completely the entire stock area and all. And then
I'll show you my kids
kids section. Okay. So even if someone wants 500,000 piece, it's readily available. So you can just have a look. So much varieties, stock, fully loaded.
This is for kids wherein you get boys and girls t-shirts, tracks, 3/4 and night sets over here.
Super.
Yeah. And then it comes here women's shrugs.
Okay. And right now I'm going to show you some sample of all the kurtis and also Mavi, what you're going to show right now?
I'm going to show you our daily wear exclusive kurtas which is available for summer.
Okay.
This is our half sleeve kurti
Okay.
wherein we have multiple sizes in this and multiple colors.
Any starting price you want to tell? Just starting price?
Our starting price is 170 rupees.
And all prices are different.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Tell.
This is our chicken curry exclusive kurta we have launched for this summer.
Superb.
So I hope you visit our store and check out these collections.
Size what we'll get?
M to double XL. This is our Naira cut kurti wherein we even have given rope. We have multiple colors in this. This is again Alia cut kurti with simple work.
Cool.
You can use this for your day-to-day daily wear.
But your collection is superb.
This is again mother top wherein you can use for feeding your kid.
Oh, nice.
I hope you like this.
Cool. And you get full set also.
Yeah, we even deal in full sets wherein this is our exclusive set for
Okay.
summers for women. This is with dupatta,
Okay.
digital dupatta.
Nice. This starting price full set, anything you want to tell?
475 rupees is the starting price.
Very reasonable.
Wherein you get top and bottom.
Okay.
And
How many collection you will be having? Like 100, 200?
yes. This is again top and bottom fancy.
Superb, yeah. Full set. In this size, MLXL.
M to double XL.
Okay.
Wherein this is right now trending.
Lovely.
Top, bottom and dupatta.
Beautiful this is. Quality is amazing. And fabric what and all will get? Muslin, cotton.
Rayon. Yes.
Okay. And right now I'm going to show you some sample of the cord set and also right now what you're going to show, Mavi?
I'm going to show you cord sets.
Okay.
Wherein this is the top
Okay.
and this is the shorts.
Alright. Any starting price in this? Only starting price?
320 rupees.
Cool. And size?
S to double XL.
Okay.
This is top
Cool.
again with the shorts.
Okay. Nice.
This
So
is
in
our-
this, how many varieties you will have in cord
We
set
have
right
multiple varieties.
now? Okay.
And this is our exclusive product for summer, tie
Very
and dye.
nice.
Which
Superb.
is our fast moving product. This is the top and this is the shorts.
Okay. And what about pants? You get with pants or only
Yeah,
shorts?
Yeah, even pants we have.
Okay. Nice. Cool. So this all is wholesale price. Here you're getting minimum 10k online. If you come here set wise, no single piece, no retail.
So even this is our plain,
Cord set.
yeah.
Cool, nice. So every cord set price is different, and lot of varieties they have in cord set. 100 varieties you are having, 50 to 100.
Yeah.
So this all are the cord set. We are doing just showing like this because time is limited. But like this entire set will come, and how the packing comes for the cord set, like this box piece will come.
Yeah, box
Right.
piece and with MRP.
Cool, very nice. Hira Hoser is the name.
This is our daily wear women's sleeveless t-shirt.
Okay.
Wherein it is free size. We have multiple colors in this.
Okay.
And this is exclusive black,
Size what we'll get?
free size.
Okay.
Therein we have one t-shirt wherein we have size from M to 5XL.
Wow.
Yeah.
How
So
how
this is our basic daily wear, evening wear t-shirt.
how many collection will get in the 100?
3 to 4 collections in M to 5XL. Then we have oversized drop shoulder t-shirt which is currently trending.
Any starting price in t-shirt and sleeveless?
T-shirt starting from 80 rupees, sleeveless starting from 70 rupees.
Wow.
Then this is again a drop shoulder,
Nice.
front and back print which is exclusively trending right now.
Very good for summer, anyway, winter, anything.
This is again a 5 sleeve t-shirt which is trending right now.
Wow. And what about the quality?
Quality is the best. Again we have a bodycon,
Superb.
summer party wear collection this is.
Lot of varieties are there in t-shirt.
Again this is a bodycon which is our free size.
Full sleeves.
Yes. Then this is a shorts.
Okay.
This is our summer exclusive product.
Okay. Size?
Free size.
Okay. And any starting price in shorts?
120 rupees.
Wow. Superb.
Again this is tie and dye super shorts. You can check it out.
How many collections you have? Like 150, 100 in shorts?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, then?
Then I'll show you some track pants which
Okay.
are exclusive for this summer.
Nice.
This is palazzo with
palazzo.
side slit.
Okay.
And then we have some.
In that, any
gym wear
starting
products.
price?
Starting price starts from 130 rupees.
And size? Free size?
Free size.
Okay.
Then we have gym wear product wherein this is the exclusive product of Techno Sports.
Techno Sports, okay.
Yeah.
So just see, this is a brand Techno Sports, official distributor for Techno Sports here.
Yeah. So this is our gym wear legging.
Okay.
And then we have cargo in the same brand wherein you can
Techno.
just have a look at the product.
Packaging will come like this.
Yeah.
Okay. Any starting price in this? Like in this pant?
325.
325. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Wow, yeah, this is amazing.
This is again jogger where you can even use for evening wear.
Superb, this is.
Super
Quality
and
is amazing.
comfortable fabric.
Lovely. What about the zip quality, everything?
The
Very
best.
nice. Okay.
Yeah.
In techno sports, like how much varieties you have in collection? Total 100.
In women's, right now I have 7 to 8 collections.
7 to 8 collection.
Yeah.
Okay. And you get only nightwear in that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Nightwear and gym wear.
Gym wear. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Again, this is a cool jogger pant for women.
Nice.
I
Track
got
and
like-
jogger. Nice. So right now, Mavi, what you're going to show?
I'm going to show you shrugs and leggings.
Okay. Can you show some sample?
Yeah. So this is again plain basic shrug for women which can be used for daily wear. We have plain and print in this.
Size what we get? Free size.
L and double XL.
Okay. And starting price?
Starting price 150 rupees.
In this one, 20 varieties will get.
Yeah, 20-25.
Lovely.
This
Yeah.
is again long shrug.
Nice.
This is again short shrug. Fancy jacket.
Super.
Then we have leggings. This is for kids.
In leggings, what straight fit, ankle fit you will get.
We have chudidar and ankle length.
Okay.
Wherein that is for kids and this is for adults.
How many colors will get?
50-60 colors.
And starting price?
Starting price 130 rupees.
130 rupees. Okay.
Yeah, ankle and full length. Wherein we have belt and normal legging both.
Okay. So if someone wants 50, 100, 200 piece, easily they can get
Yeah,
in
yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
So if you want in bulk also, they readily, every stock is available. You can WhatsApp video call. They'll send all details. And this also leggings only.
Chudidar, yes.
Okay, cool. Very nice, yeah, this is. Cool. In this, how many colors?
40 colors.
40 colors.
Yeah.
And size?
L, XL, double XL.